Hello students, let's begin with this question. In this question, this reaction is given. Then the mass of ethanol is given, which is equals to 13.5 gram. Then the mass of oxygen is given, which is equals to 37.0 gram. And in this question, we have to find out the theoretical yield and then the percentage yield. So firstly, in order to find out the theoretical yield, firstly we have to find out the limiting reagent. In order to find out the limiting reagent, we have to find out the moles by using the moles formula, that is moles is equals to given mass upon the molar mass of the molecule. Now here firstly the moles of C2H5OH, that is ethanol, is equals to 13.5 gram divided by its molar mass is 46.07 gram per mole. So its moles comes to be 0.293 moles. Then after that we have to find out the moles of O2, which is equals to its given mass is 37.0 gram and its molar mass is 32 gram per mole. So now its moles comes to be 1.15625 moles. Now we have to find out the limiting reagent here. So firstly let's see the mole ratio of ethanol with respect to the stoichiometry, that is the moles that is present in the balanced equation. This is equals to 0.293 moles, and in the balanced equation there is only a 1 mole of ethanol, so this is equals to 0.293. Now the next is the moles of the O2 to the moles of the O2 that is present in the balanced equation, so this is equals to 1.15625 moles divided by, there is the 3 moles of oxygen, so this comes to be 0.3854. Now here this 0.293, this is lesser than 0.3854. So in this case the ethanol is the limiting reagent here. So now if we see from the balanced equation, here 1 mole of ethanol, it will be producing it will form 2 moles of carbon dioxide. So now 0.293 moles of ethanol, it will produce the 2 multiply by 0.293 moles of CO2. So from here we get the moles of carbon dioxide. So moles of carbon dioxide is equals to 2 multiplied by 0.293. This is equals to 0.586 moles. Now we have the moles. Now we can find out the theoretical yield here. So now the theoretical yield comes to be, this is equals to moles of carbon dioxide multiply by the molar mass of the carbon dioxide. So now here the moles we have calculated above, these moles is equals to 0.586 moles and the molar mass of carbon dioxide is equals to 44.01 gram per mole. So when we solve this, we get the theoretical yield. So this theoretical yield is equals to 25.78 gram. Now after that we have to find out the percentage yield. So the formula used to find out the percent yield is equals to actual yield divided by the theoretical yield, and this will be multiplied by the 100 as we are solving for the percentage. Now actual yield value is already given in the question, so this value is equals to 20.5 gram and the theoretical yield is 25.78 gram multiplied by 100. So now after that we can find out the percentage yield. So the percentage yield comes to be 79.519%. I hope this video is useful for you to understand this problem. Thank you.